Hi there, this is Carla with DIY Happy Home, and I'm about to do some grilling. I have one cauliflower cut up and one onion, small onion, sliced really thin, and I put some olive oil, salt, pepper, and garlic powder on the cauliflower and the onion, and I'm going to cover this up and put it on my smoker grill until it's nice and tender, and then I'm going to add some cheese near the end to make it like a cheesy cauliflower. I've got it covered and it's going to go on the Traeger, which is on high heat. Okay, it's been about 35 minutes and I'm going to put some cheese on top. Okay, I put thinly sliced, deli sliced American cheese. You can put whatever cheese you like. Okay, a lot of people don't like American. I don't know why. Don't come at me. I love it because it melts great. So I'm going to close this lid, tent it so that it gets all melty gooey. I can't wait to dig in. What you're looking at now are cauliflower smoked on the Traeger with some sweet onion and then coated in delicious melty cheese. A little bit of salt, pepper, olive oil, garlic powder, and it's cooked till fork tender. Look at that. Yum. A little parsley for color. Delish.